Do you have something you want to refinish but keep the wood grain visible? Gel stain is a great choice because it delivers very uniform color. And unlike traditional stains, the thick product sits atop the surface and won't drip. For this project, you'll need sandpaper, latex gloves, rags, screwdriver, foam brush, polyurethane, gel stain. Gel stain works on most surfaces. Wooden, metal, and even painted surfaces can be gel stained. To prep your surface, give it a quick wipe down with a fine grit sandpaper. Then, wipe with a damp cloth to remove dust. Unlike traditional oil and water-based stains, gel stain is very easy to apply. Use latex gloves and dip a foam brush into the stain. Wipe the stain evenly across your surface. The first coat should be thick. Put it on and don't wipe it away as you would when working with traditional stain. Remove globs, especially from crevices in the surface. Unlike traditional stains, the thick product sits atop the surface being stained like a paint. And like paint, you'll find that you are probably going to need multiple coats to get a perfect streak-free finish. It's going to dry looking quite streaky. Subsequent coats will be thinner. Keep in mind that the stain won't absorb as much as a traditional stain. The gel stain will absorb slightly into unfinished wood, but not into non-porous surfaces. It will retain a thick, pudding-like consistency and dry on the top of the surface. In dry environments, let the first coat cure for 24 hours. Expect to have to apply 2 to 3 coats until the finish is even or opaque. Ideally, and according to most manufacturer guidelines, you should wait 24 hours between each coat. After you have reached your desired look, apply a coat of water-based polyurethane to protect the finished surface. Once the product has dried, it's ready for display.